Let me show you where we are on Google Maps. This is Spain at the bottom and France on top. We are right here in Escalona. I am parked here actually. And we are going to go down this valley, down to this place, Ainsa, which I believe is going to be super cool. We are going to park right here in a neighborhood, right in a neighborhood. Do some street parking. I just reached the next stop. The car is still running. You can hear my cat. He has just started to wake up in the back of the car because he's not sure if we are staying here or not, because I haven't yet turned off the car. Me turning off the car, that's one of the clues he used to recognize that we have reached the next destination and that he can go out. So he's a little bit unsure about that, and I'm going to surprise him now by turning off the car and ask him if he wants to go out. Baski, ska du gå ut och bussa? Kom igen då. Kom så får du gå ut. Straight out. Boom. This cat, he always flies out of the car wherever we go. He doesn't even look. He just jumps straight out. Not so much good parking in this area, so we're gonna do street parking for a few nights. I'm all packed up. Time to hit the road by foot. Not car this time. He has been making noise. They have been making noise for a good amount of time now. And if you ever get neighbors living in your car that makes noise, like a lot of cars passing by, all you need to do then is to turn that key around and hit the road. Or you choose to live in one of these cell blocks or in a house, whatever. You pay and you stay. Why would you want to have anything of that? Why would you want to pay rent in order to be locked up in one of these? It doesn't make sense to me. It really doesn't. The absolutely last thing I thought I was gonna find in this little village is this. A disco / pub. And they have this creepy little entrance. This is exactly the kind of places you go to in order to get hammered. Finding this place here, what? How did that happen? I wish all of nature could be like this, just fake. And because there's no ticks here, see that? I can walk here all day. I can roll around in this grass, no ticks. Okay, does this count as my daily exercise? Gosh. Hey. Oh God, it's so shabby. How cool isn't it that this camera is tracking my face? See how cool that is? Oh, he lost it. You know, made in China. Oh, look, here comes water. Merci. Obrigado. Gracias. 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 Do you see how tiny they are? These olives, they are tiny, and I bet they have the stone inside still. Yeah, they do. Oh God. Why don't they ever take out the stones? Why would you want to eat an olive with something hard inside of it? Doesn't make any sense. Is it agua or aqua? Aqua or agua? Agua, aqua. This cat can't even keep her mouth shut. She looks like a freak. If you start up north, like in Scandinavia, you have no stray cats and dogs at all, and all dogs are kept on a leash. Then the further down south you go, the more like society just decays. And these stray dogs, they cause so many problems. They shit and piss everywhere. They run after my cat. Once I had a dog running into my car and ate all the cat food, you know. And Buzzkid, he was just sitting up on the table looking at this dog. He was feeling so secure inside that car that he didn't even react to the fact that you had a big dog. It was a big dog inside the car. In France, you get occasionally a stray dog, but dogs are not on a leash. In Spain, once you come down here, there's so much stray dogs and cats, obviously, all over the place. Here's a life hack that I have learned. You take half of the pizza and you scoop everything that's on top of it over to the other half. See? Now, at least one half of this pizza is going to be excellent, and the other half you kind of forget that you had. You give it to cats or something. Here, that's for you. See, there's cats all over the place. I don't know why. Why are there so all of a sudden so many cats all over here? What exactly are they coming for? That's weird. I'm gonna throw this piece on the black cat over there. This is the second time I try to feed him and he runs away. I could sit and film these cats all day. They are so cute. Just for the record, what I did back there was wrong. I ate a non-vegan pizza. At home in my car, I never buy any meat, dairy or stuff like that. So I'm mostly a vegan, but when I'm out like this, you know, it's hard to find a vegan pizza in a place like this. Now we're going to try a mission. We are going to go all over. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but we are going to go all over there and explore with a drone what is on top of that mountain.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's have a look down at the ground, see where we are. Okay, so I think why the picture was dark, that might be because we are sort of flying towards the sun or in a bad angle. So it was probably dark for you too. I thought it was my display on the mobile phone. Aha, and here we go. Here is the tower. Let's see if I can go around it a little bit. What is that thing? It's weird. There's a car road going up that mountain. Okay. What is this?
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
Oh no. Oh no. That was the end of it. That was the end of it. At least we saw that that's some kind of a village, I think. Yeah. Goodbye, village. See you next time. You know what would be even more fun? This idea just hit me. Why don't I take the drone and I fly over to my car and see if I can find my cat from the drone? Wouldn't that be cool? He's gonna freak out. Yeah, let's do it. There's lots of buildings between me and the drone and stuff. I don't have a clear sight towards my car, so I don't know how well the signal is going to behave. We'll see. So far, so good. I believe we are somewhere in this neighborhood. Gosh, I thought it was larger, but now that I'm seeing this from the sky, I see how small it is. That's cool. Yeah, that's the street in the middle, I think. And I'm probably just behind these buildings here at the bottom. Right here, I think. Somewhere. This is so cool. Oh, there's the black car. There's the black car. Now I'm going to try to do something really stupid and just go down here in an elevation and see if I can get it. A ground level shot. And if I lose my drone now, at least I know where to pick it up. Oh gosh. I'm literally terrified now. I'm so stupid. A fucking car is going to hit my drone or something, or the cat is going to play with it. It's a crazy cat. He's not afraid for anything. I don't think my cat has seen the drone yet. Oh god. Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? Weak signal. Weak signal. Okay, stop. Take it easy. I have to collect myself. Shit, I'm terrified. Okay, let's go down. No, not connected to RC. Wait, go up. No. What happened? Now go home. Do something. What the fuck happened? Oh no.
Go home.
Oh no. Oh, what? Oh gosh, okay. Whew. That was a close call. Shit. Okay, I'm not gonna try. I'm so fucking stupid. Oh god. Babies. Hej. Batsking. Har du saknat mig? Kom så går vi. Oh gosh. Han är en sån sötis. Oh, he can smell the other cats. I'm so sorry, Brisky. So what I do, now that it's so hot, I don't want to open my side doors because that's going to block off the path for people walking, obviously. And I can't be opening anything up here. Well, I could open my windows, but I don't want to open my doors, that's for sure, because, you know, cars are running here. What I can do is open this. Oh, nice. That's going to get me a whole lot of breeze running through the car. What? This is a really good street to be parked on, to be honest. You know, the cat has his own tree and stuff. And his own backyards that he can sneak into. Do you want to see a trick that I taught my cat? Before he gets the snack, he needs to put his right paw inside my hand. See, now he's already trying. Come on. Fotassen. See how cute that is? He's so cute. Such an adorable cat. Extremely smart, this cat. So cute. That's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And I'll see you again very, very soon.